it's me, Uncle. Welcome back to my channel. Today in a lucky video, we're back at Toca World, and today's video is called Beach Day. And I'm so excited how it goes. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. What do we do? There's nothing fun to do, Mom. Yeah, it's hopeless. Oh, kiddos, don't be a baboon that was always so bored. Come on, Mom, can we do something fun today? Well, I am bored as you guys, but I don't know what to do. Honey, I have an idea. Okay, I guess we're going to have a beach day. Really? Yeah, I'll pack my swimsuit. Mom, you don't have a swimsuit. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna swim in these. Mom. Well, let's go get ready before. Okay, I'll go get our swimsuits. I even got a beach bag. Okay, let's just go get our swimsuits on and get ready to go home. Let's go. Let's go! Okay, we have arrived. Now guys, so get your swimming suits. Okay, we should get our swimming suits. Got my swimsuit. Don't forget to pack your outfits. Oh yeah, we definitely need our outfits, of course. Hurry up, Burrow. Got my outfit. Bro, you really have lots of skinnies. But never mind. I gotta get my outfit on. Lenny Penny, where's our swimsuits? Huh? Yay, swimming suits! Come and see how hot for action. Wait, Carla. Yes, Mama? What did we talk about? Always bring our swimsuits along, our outfits. But you take those in here? Okay. You can keep your hat. Alrighty. Dad, you're still wearing your clothes. I know, but I don't have a swimsuit. Neither. Okay, we can hold. A few moments later. Okay, we got our swimsuits. Good, now put your clothes in here in the luggage. Okay? Wow, I don't want to wear my bed. Clothes, here we go. What about the hats? No beanie. Beanie stand. Fine. Oh wait, the beach bag. I almost forgot. Should we bring the baby bag? Oh wait, shouldn't we bring the babies? Of course! Their very first swim. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Come on, let's go downstairs. Grandma and Grandpa must be waiting. Do you think we should pack anything with us? Mom, it's gonna only be a few hours. I don't think the babies really need anything. Are you sure? I'm sure. We can handle this. And besides, I heard there's a little baby store next door. Okay, we're here. Finally, you guys are here. Wait, where's my hat? Where's my hat? Oh, it always looked it ugly on you. You look better now. Yeah, my friend. Okay. Okay, wait, should we bring the strollers with? Of course. Put the little babies in our little strollers. I'll take the strollers, Mom. Okay, it's a lot. One after one. Okay, okay. 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 Right away. We're never gonna be ready. Oh. Let's go. Oh. Come on. Alright, time to go. Okay, everybody's here. Yep. Starting me. Yeah, let's just go. Granny, stop hiding in the bush. But it's nice. Come on, Granny. Yay. Didn't I? should this ain't look too bad. I'm gonna make a sand castle. Done making one. Okay, you really made one. I'm gonna make one. Okay. I'm gonna make a sand castle over here. Me and my lovebird are gonna just get a little something. Oh, this is like funny. Okay, I guess that's decided. Hey, what do we do? I'm gonna go get a swim up. Yep. I'm gonna try a surfboard look. Whee! So much fun. Okay, I guess I'll just leave the babies here with you guys. Is that okay? Yeah, I think we can handle it. Oop, baby dummy. Keep our baby dummies out. Babies can hang right here. I'll keep eyes on them. Okay, we'll just sit here. I'm gonna make a sand castle. And doors to close, just in case we need them. Ooh, a squirt gun. Oh no, it's a bubble gun. Hey, that tickles. Well, you didn't say no. I'll check you with this. Oh, kiddos. Well, I'll get my area ready. Yep. This is all I need. And now I can relax in my very own relaxation. A few moments later. There you go. A few moments later. Time for me to shine. Look good, boy. Hello, young missy. Oh, hi. You look like a very pretty girl. Oh, that must be all the things you say to the other ladies. Can we have a cannonball contest? Sure. Whee! Ooh, can I try? Woo! Good one too. But not as big as mine. Well, you never competed with me. You show how good surfer I am? Sure then, I can watch. You see about that. Woo! Whoa, she's fast. I'm gonna go swim a little bit, Dad. Okay. I can do some squirt gunning with your little sister. Yes! Squirt gun, bye! Okay, you two. You can have fun. Where's Mom? She must be having fun. Yeah, she's probably having fun. Let's go swim. Huh? Whoa, what was that? You're very pretty. I like the way you look, you boy. Dad! What? What is it, Alia? My brother is speaking to a girl. Whoa, what? I gotta go see him. Oh, brother got in trouble. Yeah. Son? Uh-oh, that's my dad. Don't worry, I'll swim away as fast as I can. Shh, thanks. Dad, what is it that you can be thinking about this hour? My daughter told you that you were swimming. Whoa. What? Molly! Well, I needed to tell Dad. Ugh. Come here. Fine, Dad, I'm sorry. I won't do that again. Okay. Just be good. But you know what? Let's just have a squirt gun fight. Squirt gun fight! I have a bubble gun? Well, it shoots bubbles. You know, it's obviously. Whoa, should I eat some ice cream? Yeah, let's get some ice cream. Ooh, ice cream sounds good. Let's go get ice cream. Oh yeah. Put down the squirt gun spit. Hey, what is this? Is this something to eat? Oh, it's very pretty. Yeah, let's just leave it. Come on, guys, let's go. What's this do? What's the friend boy? My castle needs a little bit of ice cream. Come on, everybody, let's go. Yay! Hello, we are the family of... That's a lot of numbers. Jody, we might need more ice cream. One, okay. 1 grand triple strawberry and vanilla, please. Okay, going for you. Going to vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, steak, no steak, blueberry. There. And here, well, chocolate and vanilla. Boom. I just want a cluster chocolate. And cherry. Boom. The simplest mechanism yet to mankind. 2 cherries. Double the cherry, double the ice cream. Well, I got double cherries. Okay, fine, everybody. No competing. I'll have ice cream. Okay. I'll like a strawberry too, I guess. I got them. Talking about the special. No, you just ate a cone. Yeah, but a cone had never even met friends. No, the cherry. Woo. Well, it's very pretty. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Don't worry, sis. I got it. I got your ice cream. I got your ice cream, but I didn't get your cone. I got your ice cream, sis. Good. Thanks, sis. It's just really heavy. Yeah, I get to eat it. Oh, sorry, sir. We just ran out of ice cream. It's okay. I'll just... Huh? No. Well, everybody got a cone? Yeah, I ate the last cone. That's okay. Everybody can eat their ice cream. Delicious. Oh, baby, it's okay. Oh, wait, we need sunscreen. Sunscreen on everybody. Okay. We got lots of sunscreen on us. Mama, relax. We can hang a little bit longer. Yeah. I'll sleep beside Grandma. Well, I guess we can hang the rest of the day, I guess. Well, it is beach day. Whee! Let's just bounce the ball. Whee! You know, this is kind of fun. Yeah. I think it's time for us to go home. I agree, Dad. I think it's time to go home, Mama. Yeah, okay, but let's get showered. After showering. Okay, everybody got done. Now it's time to go home. Okay, oh, it was really fun. But everything in your beach bag, honey bun. Oh man, where's the beach ball? I got it. Okay, it's done. Let's grab this. Come on, Granny and Grandpa. Alrighty. Wait, we can't forget about the babies. Oh yeah, and we can't forget about the luggage. Let's go home. A moment later. Okay, we're done unpacking. Yep. Come on, babies. Come on, little sister and little brother, little Samantha and little Toby. So cute. Well, I'm going to see. Me too. Me and Molly and Carla are gonna watch a little bit of TV. Me and Honey are just gonna sit in the room. Oh, Honey, come on. Sorry, babe. You're just thinking about my life. Okay. Honey, this has actually been a fun day. Yep. It's been actually the fun day. What do you mean by that? You know, fun. Fun. Like it was fun. Yeah, thanks for the fun. Yeah. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up. And I'll see you soon in my next video that will come soon. Bye guys.